The Malwarebytes anti-malware application is a lightweight program that offers a lot of security features to keep away the device from threats, although it had so many notification pop-ups that could get you annoyed. In this case, it's necessary to turn off the notification of the Malwarebytes anti-malware application. Here, we will show you the solution to the annoying Malwarebytes anti-malware tool that keeps popping up the issue. So here we have the Malwarebytes. We're going to open it. Now we are in the home page of Malwarebytes. We're going to go to settings here on the top right corner. We have a gear icon, that's the settings. And then we're going to navigate to the notifications tab. And here we're going to disable the notifications. Monthly summary, so all notifications in Windows notification area. Well, let's just go ahead and disable all the notifications here. And after disabling all these notifications, hopefully your Malwarebytes will not be showing you any more notifications. So guys, if your notification pop-up issue is resolved, then please do leave a thumbs up. And if you have any problems, then please do let us know down below in the comment section. And subscribe to our channel for more great videos like these one.